So far in this video, I've talked about Reporters Without Borders and what it does and how it helps journalists around the world going into foreign countries. And I haven't really talked about how it inspires me. So I want to start how it does inspire me. It inspires me tremendously because I'm a writer. I love to write. It's my thing. It's always been a passion of mine ever since I was little. I've been writing stories, poems, essays, anything. I love writing. And I also love human rights. I love helping people. I love learning about it, being aware of all the civil wars, civil rights going on, everything. So when I found out about Reporters Without Borders, I kind of went, wow, I love to write and I like to help people who are suppressed of their human rights. This could be perfect for me. I should become a journalist, go into foreign countries, and find out the real truth, the real story about these people who are being suppressed and not just what their leaders are telling them to believe and telling us to believe. So I started off by applying to the Poynter Journalism Institution in St. Petersburg for their high school program over this past summer in 2013. I applied and I was accepted. So I spent a week at the Poynter Institute, it's the Poynter Institute is run by the Tampa Bay Times. So we had all these writers, photographers, a lot of really famous people in the journalism world come in and talk to us and teach us the basics, complex. I learned not just about writing, but photography, video, how to get ideas for stories, anything you can think of, they tried to teach us in that 1 week. It was amazing, and I was so touched by experience, and that's how I'm starting off so far. I'm taking baby steps, and eventually, hopefully, I'll be a big reporter one day in foreign countries in Afghanistan, the Middle East, India, reporting on stories that need to be told.